What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a scent challenge.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's God, I just want to slay this hair today. I don't feel like slaying my hair. The hair fine, Abby.
Yep.
When I leave that hair, let's go straight to the video. So in today's video we'll be doing
A scent challenge.
accent challenge. Number one, yeah. Start.
Number one, Van Dijk.
Eh?
Number one, Van Dijk.
Van Dijk. Why are you laughing? It's not funny now. Why are you laughing? This boy won't get. Why are you laughing?
You didn't say well, Mama.
I didn't say it. I say Van Dijk.
You say Van Dijk. It's Van Dijk.
Okay, it's Van Dijk. Means today.
Yeah.
Number two.
Number two, history.
History. How are you laughing? Okay, history. I understand how you say it.
History.
History. Okay, that means tomorrow. Sorry, yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
It's
Okay.
yesterday.
Yesterday is history. Guys. Number
Number
three.
three, morgen.
Huh?
Number three is morgen.
Morgen.
Yeah.
Morgen.
The first one you said good.
Morgen.
Morgen.
Morgen. That is tomorrow. So you can morgen at cinema. Kan je met me?
Ik ga morgen naar het cinema. Kom je met mij mee?
Okay. You can morgen na cinema. So guys, today is just for me and my children. So now we finish part one. This is part two. This is part two. Yeah. Part two. Part two. Dab. Part two. So guys, I'll be saying something in English. So she'll be saying it in Netherlands. So number one is skirt.
Een rokje.
Een rokje. That is a skirt. Een rokje. Rock. Nigeria rock. Let's rock it. Let's rock it. Let's rock it. Two. The two is car.
Auto.
Auto. They say na auto. 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 Where have you China that word go? Auto. Auto. Automatic. Okay, auto is like I've had that word before. Auto. So now we are going to number three. Trouser.
Een broekje.
And broekje.
Yeah.
Even before broke. So number four is food.
Eten.
Eten. Handbag.
Een tas.
Antas. Let's say it means antas. Okay. Tas office. Tas return. Tas road tas. So tas.
Okay.
There's a tas. Antas. So bag means tas. Antas. Handbag. Okay. Shoe.
Shoes.
In Netherlands.
Schooner.
It's a schooner. So shoe means schooner. That is shoe. Shoe is schooner.
Schooner.
Schooner. So when they learn language, and a language that they teach you now for YouTube now. Schooner. So now we are going to number 7. Fridge.
Cookers.
It's in our cookers.
Cookers.
Okay, anyone. 8. Cup.
Een bekertje.
Een bekertje.
Een bekertje.
And baker. And baker. That is baker. Baker means cup. Baker.
You can drink it if you are thirsty.
Okay. They say if you are thirsty, you can drink with baker.
Yeah.
So number 9. Spoon.
A lepel.
A lepo. They say that one a lepo. She is a lepo. So number 10. To sweep. You know, to sweep.
And bustle.
They say na busto. Busto is to sweep. Busto. Busto is to sweep. Then this one is simple now. Everybody will know that one. Even though people.
And younger.
A boy, a younger. A younger. Younger means boy.
And boy.
Boy. Boy. Younger. Younger. Young. To young. Not be to young. This one is J starter. Younger. Jong. Yeah? J. Let me write it first. Young. Okay. Jonge. Younger. I won't drink put. Maybe my teeth no can go come out. You drink your own already now?
Yeah.
Then why are you looking at me?
I just want your hand.
Why do you want your own? You finish your own and now you want somebody else's own.
Your hand didn't want to drink it.
You didn't want to drink it, so you want to drink it. After you finish your own, you want to drink your own. See, Johan is shouting. Give Johan his drink. Thank you. So, number 12, get.
A measure.
A measure. Ah, so sweet. Measure. So sweet. Ah, the name please my soul. It's sweet for my soul. Measure. Oh, measure. Okay, now this one I ain't gonna sweet me pass. This one is the most sweetest one. The most sweetest one ever is tooth. Teeth.
Thunder.
Thunder. So in Netherlands it's called thunder.
Doctor.
No.
Thunder.
That is dentist.
Thunder.
Dentist is called
Thunder.
thunder. You need to see a dentist. Then you need to see a thunder. So thank you guys. If you love this video, please feel free to give this video a big like. Feel free to share this video to your friend, your family, your anybody that needed this video. Please love this video. Please give a thumbs up, share, comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. If today is the first time of watching our video, please do subscribe. And
don't forget to
subscribe to our channel.
Peace.